Okay, hi, happy Vlogmas, coming back at you with another one. I'm on our way to Artechouse, me and my friend, and they have a wonderful holiday layover. If you don't know what Artechouse is, it's just an immersive exhibition. It's really nice, and I'll go ahead and link in the description box below what it's all about. But you will get to see the wonderful things that we're going to be able to see. So after everything is all said and done, we're just waiting in line and we're going to go on in. I'm really excited. I really love coming here. This is probably like my third time coming to this, I would say, artist mixed media gallery. I don't know. It's kind of hard to put into words. Again, if you want to know more, we'll have the link in the description box down below.
2019, we brought the first digital art space to New York City's Chelsea Market.
So that was Artechouse here at Chelsea Market. Really, really wonderful experience. So they also had like a scavenger hunt, and that was really fun, which is like interactive, and like it showed these renderings of these little like worker ornaments, gathering things. So it was so cute. At the end, you get to spin a wheel for a prize, and this was my prize. Oh, but it's totally fun, totally worth it. Totally a different way to really immerse yourself in that space. So totally glad I did it. Please remember to like, comment, subscribe. I'm so thrilled that you were here to join me for another installation of Vlogmas. So please remember to be safe. Tell someone that you love, because tomorrow's not a promise. I'll see y'all in the next one. Bye!